one pasta with smoked salmon, and a salad with smoked salmon. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you step by step how to make 2 recipes with only 1 ingredient. Like I promised you at the beginning of the video, I made 2 recipes with only 1 ingredient. You can make the healthier version, or you can make a pasta with some carbs. And if you like this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get to have easy recipes like this every single week. And I know that with your help, I'm gonna reach the 100 subscriber. That's my goal. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next episode.